right now.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come to digits. I pull it with a lemon. Not cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic. And this ain't a scrimmage. We ain't finished. I told you.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jerika and thank you for tuning in. So in this video, I decided that I wanted to cut some bangs into my wig. Haven't worn bangs in about 10-11 years. So I decided, you know what, since this wig is straight, let me just go ahead and cut some bangs in it and make it look different. So the first thing I'm going to do is start with my hair normal with my two little pigtails. I bobby pin them to the back of my head and use my wig grip. I will leave a link in the description bar to the wig grip that is highly necessary if you're going to wear lace front wigs. This hair is from Unice hair. It's the Unice Peruvian straights. It's 4 bundles, 18 to 24, and a 16-inch closure. I didn't use all the bundle. I maybe had a little bit left of the 4th bundle. But I'm just going to put this on my head like normal. I made this wig, by the way. Then I'm just going to detangle it with this paddle brush. This hair definitely sheds. It sheds a lot actually, but whatever. So anyway, so I'm just going to be pulling the hair forward, trying to figure out how I want my bangs to be, how thick I want them to be, and how far back I want them to go. This is going to have a line that's going to get really annoying, but you'll see what I do to fix that. Now I'm just going to keep combing just to make sure this is the perfect amount of bangs that I want. And just keep combing and make sure that you kind of ignore that line in the middle from it being in the middle part. It's okay, we're going to fix that. Then I'm going to put this little duckbill clip here. Even though it didn't really work, it kept moving. So I was afraid that it was going to make my hair come out uneven. I've seen so many horror stories. But anyways, I'm just going to trim that with some scissors. These aren't regular scissors. They're the hair trimming scissors. I don't recommend using regular scissors to do this because then it could possibly come out wrong. So anyway, I just cut it across and just snip it. And I also did some more trimming off camera just to make sure that it was even. But this is the gist of what I did. Now I'm going to wet it. This is going to help me get rid of that permanent line that's in the middle. Y'all know when you part a hair down the middle or down the side, if you wear it like that all the time, it's going to be really hard to get rid of that indentation. So using water definitely helps. Then I'm just going to flat iron it to also help get rid of that line and give my bangs a little bump because you don't want them to be covering your eyes. Of course, that'll get really annoying really fast. So I'm just going to keep flat ironing it in sections until it's at my desired look. As you see, it came out super bomb. I was not expecting it to look so cute. Like, it looks really good. I was actually shocked with how good it came out, but it actually looks really good and simple and easy. Anybody can do this. Just make sure you have some trimming scissors for hair. Like I said, I don't recommend regular scissors. But as you can see, I can kind of wear it as a side bang as well. You can kind of do whatever you want. If you don't want your bangs this short, you can actually make them longer and just cut at a diagonal and then go down and then put a flat iron on it and have it being a feathered look. That's also super cute, as you can see. So I really liked that I did this. It gave my wig a whole new look. And now you don't have to worry about the front and blending it in with your hair as much if you wear bangs. So this is pretty simple and easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. I appreciate all my new followers and subscribers, and I will promise to be more consistent with my videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.